Welcome, this is Gary at our Paradise Farm, Florida. As you can see, we got seedlings and more seedlings. I just got done redoing this. They were in egg crates. Right there. Yes, they were in egg crates. They are now spread out. The reason is the rain we were having got them to sprout, but the egg crates are too small, so I had to put them in something else. And we got watermelon coming up, we got cantaloupe coming out, we got all kinds of stuff coming up. This is mostly cantaloupe. There's some eggplant, okra, there's a couple watermelon here up front, and that's what that is. And I am also working on the upper cabinets, sanding them in the barn. Then I take it inside where it's climate control and paint it and lacquer it. That's my chore for the day and the week. Doesn't seem like a lot. It doesn't, but it's taking me most of the day between those two. It's almost 5 o'clock in Central Time. So anyways, I just wanted to give you a shout out, show you what I've been doing, and well, you folks have a great day, and we'll try to throw some more short videos in just to let people see what we're doing. No, I haven't mowed the big field yet. Finished mowing it, but right now the mower is sort of down in the dumps. You see how the front wheel is up? That's because the back wheel is flat. I got two flat wheels. This front one here, and then the back one. And wouldn't you know it, it's only flat on the bottom. But then it won't go anywhere. It's this valve stem that's broken, and that's the issue. So I have to take the thing off. I'll have to jack it up somehow, take it off, and see if it can be fixed. Should be able to replace the valve stem, but there's no guarantee. All right. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, ring that little bell so you can tell when I do a posting, and if you like what we do here, hit share or follow, and that would be great to have you follow along. Talk to you later.